Made it out to SoCal. Packed up the bike pretty late. It's like almost 10. Trying to head out to Lake Elsinore. It's about an hour drive, but it's gonna be the second time going there. So it's been a year, so I'm a lot better now. So hopefully the track will be funner for me. I mean, it's actually pretty fun, but I want to be able to clear the jumps now.
In 800 feet.
Okay, we just parked. So they just put down some water, but I think they're done now. It's gonna be my first outing anyway, so I'm gonna be really slow. There was so much, so wet in the corner, I kept going down. Second time the front brake's stuck, so gotta get that fixed. I had to take it off. But gonna wash it up a little bit, try to put it back on. Hopefully it's nothing too serious, it's just dirt, I don't know.
Good, I saw you.
Yeah, I was trying to like make the whole thing. I just landed like right at the cased it a little bit, and then when I bounced up, my leg came off, and then I think my bike ran over it kind of.
You hit your knee?
My ankle kind of.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
So you're doing those big jumps, bro?
I'm trying to, yeah. Last year I came here, everyone kept passing me, so I was like, even the little kids.
I'm a beginner too.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good track, but the turns are kind of rough.
Yeah.
Right now.
I'm driving on third. So
yeah, third that can clear the jumps.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The second, I don't know.
I'm good. Yeah, I cased the triple right here. First time I tried it, my foot came off and I kind of ran over it, but feels a lot better. Yeah, yeah, thank you.